What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add excerpts to our WordPress page in a simple, fast, effective and free method. We have tutorials. If you go to YouTube and search for excerpts, WordPress or excerpts Visual Modo, you're gonna be able to find 2 tutorials on our channel explaining how to apply or how to edit and customize these little descriptions that appears amongst your pages or posts when you embed these posts into other pages, for example an index page like to this picture. Okay, however, WordPress does not offer this option for pages. Okay, pages have no excerpts, but sometimes you may need to list your pages and you would like to have excerpts to be customizable. How to do this is what you're gonna learn in this video. Okay, so before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, not just internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. We're going to be installing a very useful plugin for WordPress called WP Code. Just like this. WP Code, insert headers, footers, custom code, snippets, WordPress code manager. Click on install. After clicking to the activate button, you're going to be redirected to the WordPress plugins list, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your site. But take a closer look once again into the left sidebar of menus, scroll down and you're going to be able to see next to settings the code snippets. Click on add snippet with the plus icon. You're gonna click into right here, add your custom code new snippet. You can type right here, pause the video and copy this, okay? So just like this, add, post, type, support, space, page, extras. Pause the video and copy this code, okay? It's a PHP snippet, okay? So change this into code type to PHP. Then we're gonna save changes. Auto insert, it's normal, by default runs everywhere. And we're gonna click into update button. And the snippet is already working, okay? Now we're gonna change this little switcher. As you can see, it's inactive. If you review the upper right corner of my screen, we're gonna move it to active, just like this, and update again. Now, if you go to our page, for example, to my home page, my front page of the site, you need to load it on the WordPress editor, review the left sidebar menus, the right sidebar menus, scroll down, and here's we go. Write and accept optional. You can type your excerpts right here, okay, in a simple, fast and effective method. Now you can type your excerpts right here, okay? Type any content that you want that represents your page, okay? Just like this. Update the page. This content will not be shown into the page itself, but if you embed this page using posts grid or using index options to embed this page in other pages or other posts, the excerpt is gonna appear, okay? Let me show you one example. Let's create a pages index. Click into the plus button. Search for a widget called shortcode and type this code. Once again, pause the video to copy the content, okay? You can see nothing happens. Why? Because you need to install another plugin to display the posts. Go to WordPress, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of a screen, click on it next to keyword and type display posts. This guy right here, click on install now. Easy lists, grids, navigation, and more. Click on activate. As soon as you do this, you're gonna be able to see your page. And as you can see, the excerpt is now appearing into my home page. You can customize it into all of your pages. If you have content on page, WordPress gonna automatically display the first contents that appears on the page, okay? Just like it's doing here in my contact page. But to customize, you already know how to do it. Of course, you can use any other grid plugin without shortcodes, okay? Or if you're using Visual Modo Themes, the posts grid element. But if not, this method it's perfect for you and works for free. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the borderless Visual Modo plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, or Enzu WordPress theme. Download for free to fully customize your site, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can promote your site and blog to receive and publish guest posts, or Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can promote your page, your app, your game design, and be awarded. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more pro features. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!